What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best tempered glass screen protector for the LG G7 ThinQ. Now, this screen protector is from a company called G-Pel, and I'd like to thank G-Pel for being kind enough to send this out to me. Now, I'm a really big fan of screen protectors, and the reason for that is because it really gives you some peace of mind that you're not going to destroy the display on your device. Essentially, what this provides is a whole second layer of glass on top of the display that's on your smartphone. Now, I don't know how much it costs to get a replacement display in case you crack yours on your G7 ThinQ, but I'm guessing that it's very expensive. So by buying this for $14.99, you're going to save a lot of money in the long run. So on the front of the packaging here, we just have some specifications. Let's now remove the screen protector from the packaging and we'll see what's provided in the box. So we get a nice sleeve here inside of the box, then opening that on up, we have an installation guide here. Then further inside, we have a little installation kit. Then we have the actual glass itself. Now this glass has a black outline around it, which kind of mimics the black frame on the device. Let's now open up the installation kit. And inside of this kit, we have a cleaning cloth with the G-Pel logo down in the corner. We have some dust removal stickers, and we have a cleaning wipe. Okay, so first we're going to start by taking out the wipe. Now with the display off, I'm going to take this wipe and just go over the entire display. And this will get all the oils and everything and fingerprints off of the display, ideally. Try not to touch it throughout this process. Okay, and then next you're going to grab this cloth, and then you're just going to go over the display with the cloth. Next, we're going to take these dust removal stickers, peel these off, and then just kind of use this to get the last bits of dust off of the display. Not that there's really any here that I can see, at least. Alright. Let's grab the other sticker just to do one last run through here. Okay, very cool. And now it's time to put on the actual screen protector. So we're going to peel this off. Okay, now with the screen protector on the device, we're just going to press down in the center, and then it's going to get all the air bubbles out of here. Alright, and there we go. Just like that, the screen protector is now on the device. Now, I forgot to mention one of the coolest features of this screen protector, and that is the privacy protection that's built into it. Basically, what this means is that if you view the screen at an angle here, you can actually kind of hide the screen from anyone sitting next to you. So that's really cool if you want some privacy, if you have nosy friends, or maybe you're on the airplane or something and you don't want people to see what you're looking at on your phone. You can simply just put the screen protector on, and then when they view the phone at other angles, then straight on, they won't be able to see anything. So that's pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this installation guide and review of the G-Pel screen protector for the LG G7 ThinQ. Now you can buy this on Amazon for $14.99, and you actually get a 2-pack, so you get 2 of these. So I will be leaving a link to that down in the video description, so make sure to check that out. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.